Okay, we're in the second part of toxic relationships, healing after a toxic relationship. The first thing that you do is look in the mirror. What role did I play in this? You know, did I miss something? How did I miss that? Did I contribute to the demise of this? You know, take responsibility. Taking responsibility will help you to become a victor versus a victim. You know, a relationship ending, okay, they end all the time because relationships are either for reasons, for seasons, and some are for a lifetime. And if they are for a lifetime, you're going to have reasons and seasons and all of that, all intertwined. You know, you're going to have your ups and downs, your sideways and your backwards and everything mixed up in the relationship, okay? So anyway, the next thing that I want you to do is to release the relationship from your space so that you and the person can heal. Release them from your space so you can heal. So how the hell do you do that, right? Okay, so one of the things you want to do is to release the cords and connections to the person. Release the cords and connections. You can do it visually. You can do it with a candle. You know, I've shown how to release cords and connections before. They can be really simple, or they can have many parts to it. You can make it a big ritual. You know, you can have fun with it. I always advise to do a healing bath, and the healing bath can have whatever in it that you want to have in it. There are many recipes online for healing baths, and if you want to get special with it, or you could do something simple and put some sea salt or Epsom salt or some Choco or whatever in your tub, and release whatever the negative energies were. Release the cords and connections. Release. And you can take the water and you can bring it up over your head and down, and you can wipe your body. I would always suggest to have already bathed before your healing bath. So already do your bathing, your shower, whatever before the healing bath, because the healing bath is not about taking a bath, okay? Not about washing yourself clean. It's about washing yourself clean of the energy from whatever it is that you're releasing, okay? So anyway, so you take the bath and allow your hair to get wet, you know, and just take the waters, because it is important to get it off your scalp. It's also a good idea to have a cleaned head, you know, wash your hair. But you could do that before. You can wash your hair before, and then after this healing bath, maybe you could just rinse out whatever was in the water from your hair, you know, step out of it and let the shower run over your water to rinse out whatever was in the water. But anyway, washing your hair is definitely good, because you hold a lot of stuff in your hair. You hold germs in your hair. You hold energy in your hair. And when you are doing this healing and releasing this person's energy from your space, you want to release it from your hair too. So when you do your shower before your healing bath, make sure you've cleaned your hair as well. Okay. So you're in this tub and you are releasing, and then you're pushing the water away from you. You release and you push the water away from you. So this is how I do it in the tub, and I am praying the whole time. Now, before I take my bath, I've already written a petition. I've already anointed whatever oil is going in my bath. I've already anointed whatever herbs are going in my bath. And I put them in the bath. I've set up, if I want to hear some music, I often do a mantra. I might do a mantra for, like Deva Premal has mantras for precarious times. I might do that, but more often I would do the Gayatri mantra, or whatever comes to me, honestly. But I love the Gayatri mantra, and it's just so high vibrational for me. And I might recite it 108 times while I'm doing my healing bath, you know. So I might get a video that is also reciting it 108 times, so that I don't have to have my mala beads counting 108. So I will just do it with the bath, or however it's, you know, however the Gayatri mantra is played, because it's different ways that you can sing it. One is okay, so anyway, so it's different ways you could chant the mantra, but however you want to chant it, or whatever you want to do. You could just do prayers the whole time. You could just be praying to your source creator, okay? All right, and just do a washing movement as though you are rinsing off and pushing away. Rinsing off and pushing away, okay? So do a healing bath. Do your petition before the healing bath, stating what it is that you desire. You can anoint your candle and put the petition underneath your candle, or if you're doing like a 5-day candle, you could tape your petition to the candle glass or whatever. You could write your petition on the candle glass, whatever. However you do your petitions, whatever. Right? You can write on the top of the wax of the glass or what have you. And then I get all of that ready. And then when I get out of the tub, number one, you don't towel dry. You would let yourself air dry out of the tub. And then I would sit down at my spiritual space, and that's when I would light my candle, and I would just take some time and journal and just be still. I might just have silence. I might have some frequency music in the background, what have you, whatever I decide to do. And that's kind of one of the things that I would do after a relationship ends. I would definitely do a spiritual bath to clear that person's energy out of my space, out of your yoni, out of everything. Clear the cords and connections, clear all the energies, because I don't want to have that back and forth anymore. Okay, so that's the next thing you should do.